Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese in a sandbox game. First, you'll need to understand your game's crafting mechanics. Many sandbox games feature a dedicated crafting menu or workstation for food items. We'll cover how to find these and what initial steps are needed to begin your cheese-making journey. This guide will help you get started quickly and efficiently. Next, let's gather our ingredients. You'll typically need milk, which can often be obtained from farm animals or purchased from in-game vendors. Look for rennet or a similar curdling agent, which might be a rare drop or crafted item. Don't forget salt, a crucial component for flavor and preservation. Make sure your inventory has ample space for all these items. Now for the crafting process. Head to your designated crafting station, which could be a kitchen, a specific food processor, or a general crafting table. Combine your milk, rennet, and salt according to the recipe. Some games require aging, so place your cheese in a cool, dark place for a set period, perhaps 1 to 2 in-game days. Finally, let's talk about storing and using your delicious cheese. Store it in a cool, dry place within your game world to prevent spoilage. Cheese often serves as an excellent food source, restoring a good amount of health or energy. You might also trade it with non-player characters for valuable currency or other items. Enjoy your homemade sandbox cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.